today I finally got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and at a reasonable time. I just filmed over the weekend, and today's Monday, so I received on Friday my August Glam Bag. But this time, this one came on time, and I'm so happy. Wasn't planning on filming tonight, but since it came in, I wanted to go ahead and film and do an unboxing for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September. This is the only Ipsy subscription that I have. I used to have the smaller bag, just the Glam bag, and I actually like that one a little bit better because I like the bag better. But this month, if you look at the one from last month, I did not like that bag at all. This bag, I really do like it. It's purple. It says you've got this, so it's nice and subtle. And I really love this bag, so I will use this one. So I'm excited to see what products we received for this month. It is my birthday month too, so hopefully there's some good things that are in here. Last month, I wasn't happy at all. And I tried out a lipstick that I received last month, thinking maybe, you know, I'll enjoy that, maybe I'll use it. It was a lipstick and a lip gloss, and I tried them this morning and I didn't like them at all. So hopefully this month is a little bit better. I'm trying to see if I can find the card that's in here so we can see what the theme is for the month. Here it is. It says The School of Good and Evil. Oh, this is just something from Netflix that they're advertising, but it says you've got this. So it's the same slogan that's on the bag. So that's pretty nice. They used to have on the cards that would tell you everything that's in your box. They don't do that anymore. I would have prices on here. Also the same as BoxyCharm did. But now you have to go on the app. I did pull up on the app just so I can take a look and give you the prices of the items that we have. So we're reaching in. First thing we're pulling out is the biggest box that's here, and again the box is kind of beat up. You see where I'm just pulling it out of the bag, but that's okay. It's the Lifestyle Co. Radiant Glow Botanical Oil Cleanser. I do love an oil cleanser, so let's see if we can find a little bit about this. The retail was $49. That's better than it was last month. I'm going to take my glasses off just so you won't have the glare. See if I can see this. It's a cleanser. Break down makeup and build up with this vitamin enriched oil cleanser that uses nutrients from aloe, rose hip oil, and bergamot to help clear your clogged pores and remove impurities, while jojoba, olive, and grapeseed oils help to nourish your dry skin. I like this. Okay, I'm super happy with that. I have a little oil cleanser that I have in my bathroom at the sink now. It makes it so much easier to take your mascara off with. So I'm pleased with this. So this is going on the like side. So let's see. I'm going to just toss my box right here. We'll pick all that up a little later on. And let's take a look and see what this is. I can't really make this out. It's this little bottle here. Let's see if I can find it on the app, what this might be. This is a O-U-T-R-E. I think it's a hair oil. It is a hair oil with CBD. I'm not certain if I'm going to use this or not, because again, with my hair, and I've got it curly now, I can't use anything that has any silicones or anything like that in it, but it is a nice full size. Simplify your hairstyling routine with this magical CBD infused elixir that helps heal your hair from inside out with bobo protein, coconut oil, and olive fruit. It's weightless heat protection and aids in fighting frizz, restoring elasticity, and adding shine and smoothing down flyaways. Now see, I'm afraid to use this because it does say that it has protein in it. Sometimes with my hair, it doesn't do well with protein, just leaving it in there. And also olive oil, not the olive oil, but the coconut oil seems like it dries my hair out sometimes. So I'm not certain about this one, guys. I might give this to my granddaughter, or we'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do with that one. But I'm not angry with it. That had a retail price of $36. So the first one had 49 and this one has 36. I have to put my glasses on to take a look at this box. It's really, really small. And this is Complex Culture, and it's a lipstick. So let's take a look and see what color this is, because my last month, the lipstick, I thought it was going to be a mauve color, which I really like, but it was when I put it on this morning, it was a weird brown color. I probably should have swatched it prior to putting it on, but I didn't do that. And I regretted it because I was rushing to go to work, so I had to just leave it on. And then I put the lip gloss on top of it, and that was even worse. I kind of like this packaging. Look at this, like a nice caramel color packaging. Hopefully it's a nice... Ooh, listen at that snap. Oh, that is nice. Okay, let's take a look at the color. Color is a little bit brown, guys. I don't know about that color, but it might work out well. Let's do a little swatch. So we'll try a little swatch here. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Took a little bit to get it to go on the skin. So hopefully it's not a matte color, but it's not bad. I don't know. It's more like it almost looks like an orangey color, but let's take a look and see. I don't have anything that's this color. So let me go here back in our app and we'll take a quick look because I can't look at the card. So bear with me. Complex Culture Pout Clout Nourishing Lipstick in Legit. This color is called Legit. It's $24. Okay. Nourishing formula gives you the best of both worlds. The feel and comfort of a balm, plus the intensity and color payoff of a traditional lipstick. Okay, I think I'll give this a try and see. I don't have many lipsticks this color. I kind of like having, pinks or usually pink or like the mauve color to wear with cool tones, and I do like something that's a little bit of a warmer tone to wear with brown, so we'll see. I'm not angry with that. So far this box has been pretty good. This has been a pretty good bag. Now here we've got Sugar, and this is the Goddess of Flawless. It's a mattifying sunscreen. Again, something that I really love to use is sunscreen. I wish I used it when I was younger, and I didn't, and I regret it now. But let's take a look. I don't even know exactly what this is. It's small. What kind of a sunscreen is this? Let's see. Oh, okay. It's just a little tube of a sunscreen here. You can see that, and let me take a look at it. Mattifying sunscreen. I will use that, but you can see how small it is. It's a deluxe sample size, so it's not a full size. Does your idea of perfect sunscreen got even better? This SPF 30 is totally invisible on all skin tones, doesn't have that sunscreeny smell, feels like nothing on your skin, and stops excess shine in its tracks. So, okay, that's like a little, that's a cute little travel size. Now, you're supposed to have 5 full-size products with Ipsy, so hopefully they're not considering that a full size. So far, we've received 3. And we have that over there. So let's take a look. Okay, I do feel additional things in here, so I'm not angry. But I did order some extras. So I remember I did order some extras. So let's take a look and see what this is. We might have received 4 full-size products and the 1 sample. Okay. This looks like that, let's see what this is. Brighten It, it's a lactic acid solution. Gently exfoliate and brighten the skin. It's called Clarity. Let me take a look and see if that's even part of my bag, or if this was the extra that I received. It's in a nice glass bottle, though. Okay, it's here. And, okay, this is a $60 value. So they say. Let's see what it does. Oh, don't let your dark marks and uneven skin tone get you down. Brighten up with this gentle exfoliating toner that enlists the help of alpha hydroxy acid to reduce your dark marks and discoloration. For smoother and brighter looking skin, that glows. I do have dark spots, guys, and that's from sitting in the sun, I believe, without sunscreen on. That's why I always try to encourage people to wear your sunscreen and you know, to stay out of the sun as much as possible. But I like this I might have actually ordered this as an add-on. I can't remember. I have a couple of subscription boxes that come in and I get a little mixed up. I do know that I ordered a couple of things, but I do like that as well. Okay, this Stack the Odds. It's a multi-use face stacker, 3 cream shades to play. It has a highlight, blush, and contour. And the name of it is Stack the Odds. Again, I've never heard of that. Alley Oop seems to be the name of the brand. So let's take a quick look while I try to get this open. Some of these things are so difficult to open, guys, and I don't like to really rip the box just in case I give it away, or I don't know. Okay, this is a cute packaging. I really like the packaging. Stack the Odds Cocktail Hour is what this is called. It's like a 3-in-1. This is a cute compact to travel with. It's $38. It has a blush, bronzer, and a highlight. Add a pop of color and dimension to your face with, cream formulas. Oh, I did like it until I read it's a cream formula that are designed to be blendable and buildable. They're infused with moisturizing jojoba. We've had so many things with jojoba in it, right? And sunflower seed. Cocktail Hour contains a soft berry blush, deep brown contour, bronzer, and gold pearl highlight. I don't like cream anything, really, guys. The colors look like they're cute. I love the packaging on this. I wish they were powder, but I am not going to use this. So I'm not certain what I do. I actually might maybe put it in my Poshmark store and see if I can kind of bundle it and sell it there with some other things, or I might save it for a giveaway. I do want to do a channel giveaway for the once I reach 100 subscribers. So if you're interested in entering a giveaway, because I'm going to be giving away at least 2 or 3 makeup products. It can be skincare or makeup, and I'll go a little bit more in depth when I get a little bit closer. I think right now I have like 27. So but you know, you never know. So if you're interested in entering into the giveaway, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and just leave a comment in the comment section saying I'd like to join the giveaway, or let me know what product you like best. I think that would be even better if you've received a Ipsy unboxing, or let me know which one of these products that that you like best, and you'll be automatically entered into the giveaway, and I'll reach out to you if you win. Oh, now this, I do know that I did order this as an extra add-on, and it's an eyeliner, and I just started actually, oh yes, this is an add-on. And you know what, the sunscreen was also an add-on. So I paid for this, which I'm kind of upset about. I probably paid maybe $3 for it. And again, I'm sorry for my birds. They start chirping. My last video, if you want to hear them not chirping, listen to the last video, because I filmed that while I was away vacationing over the weekend. So it was nice and quiet. But now that I'm talking, even though it's late at night, they're still going. But this, I probably paid $3 for this this add-on, guys, and this is a very, very small sample size. So I probably should have looked at how much it contained, because I would not have purchased that for $3. Now I did get this eyeliner though, just because I don't have any eyeliners that's in this color, and I used to not wear eyeliner at all, but I started to wear it recently, just not completely along the my top eyelid, but just partially, you know, starting maybe not exactly in the middle, a little bit further in than that, and then going out, because before I thought it was too heavy and made my eyes look smaller. Now that I've gotten older, I don't have the lashes that I used to have. But let's take a look. This is a nice green color. Didn't have anything in green. I thought it'd be a fun color to wear. Oh, and I do like that. You can see the color there. It went on very, very smoothly, so I'm super happy with that. So I like to take just like a thin brush and maybe do a little bit of color close to the eyelid, and then go over it with this. Or sometimes I'll even use a pencil, like a little bit of a thicker pencil. Draw a line close to the eyelashes, and then use the eyeliner and go from not all the way to the inner corner, a little bit further out, starting here really thin, and then make it go a little bit wider when it gets towards the end, because it's supposed to make your eyes look a bit more open, which is what you want when you get a little bit older. So all in all, guys, I'm really happy with this bag. We received this oil, which I'm actually going to use tonight to take off my makeup and see how this works. This hair oil, I'm not too thrilled with that, but I'm not angry with it. It's probably will work really well, but you know, the way I have my hairstyle now, I'm afraid to use that, but I can give it to my granddaughter, or I might bundle it with another hair product item and put it in my Poshmark store. I am on the wall about this lipstick, but I just love this case. Is just luxury. I love the snap. I love the feel of the case. So I'm happy with that. This cream blush, this is probably gonna either go in a giveaway, or I'm not certain. I think I'm probably gonna add it to my giveaway, but we'll see. But I'll do something with it. It's a good product. It's just that I don't like to use cream. I ordered this. I paid for this, so I can't be angry with that. And then we've got the toner here that's supposed to help with dark marks. So I'll let you know later on if you're interested in knowing if this worked for me or not. Just leave it in the comment. Subscribe, leave it in the comment, and that'll enter you into the to the giveaway. But I can definitely give a review at a later time and let you know how this worked for me or not. I've tried so many different things. I even have like a little tool that's supposed to work with that. But you know, it's still the best thing. The best thing to do for it is preventing it from happening in the beginning, right? And then my little add-on sunscreen that I have here. So that's what I received in my Ipsy Glam bag. I appreciate you all, as always, coming on and spending some time with me. I'm really enjoying this whole process. We've got a lot of other videos planned now. I should be getting my BoxyCharm box in sometime, and I'll go ahead and do an unboxing of that as well. I think I've already received my Macy's. I may have already opened that and looked at that. I love my Macy's box, because not only do you get the products, but you also get a gift card that you can use on a beauty item. Sometimes it's a $10 gift card. At Macy's, I believe, is $15. Now I'll have to look and see, but I'll let you know whenever I get ready to film that. So I hope you all have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this, and we will see you soon.